Are you looking for easy ways to earn money just by playing games on your smartphone? You can make over $60 for every game you install and play. In today's video, I'll reveal 3 legit apps that can help you do just that. Discover how you can start making money from your mobile device right away. First app is EarnNut.com. EarnNut is a top-of-the-line and highly reliable play-to-earn games app. You can make money by completing various tasks, taking surveys, and especially by installing and playing games. Simply click Sign Up to register with your email and password. After logging into EarnNut, you'll see a dashboard similar to this. To start making money with play-to-earn game apps, simply click on Offers. This will direct you to a page where various play-to-earn games are listed for you to install and earn money online. From here, you can select the type of offer you want, which we'll choose as games. Next, pick your device type, but I'll keep it as is for this video. To maximize your earnings, make sure to click on the default option and choose the highest reward available. EarnNut will then display the top-paying play-to-earn game offers. For instance, the highest-paying game offer in my region allows me to earn over $83, with subsequent offers paying $63, $62, and so forth. You can easily make $60 per game you install and play from EarnNut. EarnNut is accessible in nearly all countries. Second app is Misplay.com. Misplay is a top-rated and trustworthy play-to-earn games app. It's accessible in many countries globally, allowing you to earn money from virtually anywhere. Misplay offers a wide range of gaming apps that you can install to start earning. The specific game offers you see will vary based on your location, but you can receive payments through various methods available in your country. If PayPal is available in your country, Misplay will offer PayPal as a withdrawal option. If not, you might see alternatives such as Payer, Payoneer, various gift cards like Amazon or Google Play, or direct transfers depending on your location. Misplay has already distributed over $60 million to users and offers play-to-earn games that can pay from a few dollars up to $40, $60, or even over $100 per app you install and play. Currently, Misplay is only available for Android devices, but an iOS version may be released in the future. Third app is Free Cash app. I've already made $80 from this play-to-earn games app. Free Cash is accessible in nearly every country worldwide, and many of our subscribers have earned over $100 using this app. For instance, Sohan from India made over $48, a user from the US earned over $131, Ali from Germany got over $70, and Andrew from Nepal received over $35, among others. To get started, sign up for Free Cash and log in. After logging in, click on Offers on the left and select Game to view various games you can install and earn money from. You can also use the highest reward filter to find the most lucrative game offers and maximize your earnings. Choosing the best app among Free Cash, Misplay, and EarnNut depends on your specific goals and preferences. Here's a brief overview to help you decide, so let's see the pros and cons of each app. First, we have Free Cash pros: wide availability, accessible in almost all countries. High earning potential, many users report earnings over $100. Variety of offers, includes games, surveys, and other tasks. User-friendly, simple to use and navigate. Cons, variable earnings. Rewards can vary based on the offers available. Payment methods, might not offer payment options suitable for everyone. Best for users looking for a broad range of earning opportunities and who want a straightforward interface. For Misplay pros, game variety, offers a wide range of games with different earning potentials. Rewards, system, earns points that can be redeemed for gift cards and other rewards. Good reputation, trusted by many users for its reliability. Cons, device limitation, currently available only on Android devices. Geographic restrictions, some game offers may vary based on location. Best for mobile gamers who enjoy playing various games and prefer earning rewards through a point-based system. For the third app, we have EarnNut Pros. Task variety, earn through tasks, surveys, and game installations. High reward offers, opportunities to earn significant amounts per game. Global reach, available in many countries. Cons, newer platform, may have fewer features or game options compared to more established apps. Potential learning curve, interface and earning methods might require some time to understand. Best for users who want to earn money through multiple methods and are interested in a wide range of play-to-earn games. My recommendation: if you prefer a broad range of offers and a user-friendly experience, Free Cash might be your best bet. For a focus on mobile gaming with a point-based reward system, Mistplay is excellent. If you're interested in a platform offering diverse earning methods including tasks and games, EarnNut could be a good choice. Ultimately, the best app will depend on your personal preferences, including the types of tasks you enjoy and the reward methods you prefer. It might be worth trying each app to see which one aligns best with your earning goals and preferences. Here are some popular and well-regarded play-to-earn games you might enjoy. For mobile games, we have Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle fantasy creatures called Axies. Players earn tokens that can be traded for real money. The Sandbox, a virtual world where players can create, own, and monetize their gaming experiences and assets. It combines user-generated content with play-to-earn mechanics. Splinterlands, a card game where players collect and battle with digital cards. Players earn rewards in the form of cards and cryptocurrency. Decentraland, a virtual reality platform where users can buy, develop, and sell virtual land and assets. It uses its own cryptocurrency for transactions. Illuvium, an open-world RPG where players capture creatures called alluvials, which can be battled and traded. The game has a strong focus on strategic gameplay and earning potential. For PC, console, games, Guild Wars 2. While not a play-to-earn game in the traditional sense, its extensive in-game economy and trading system can provide opportunities for savvy players to earn. EVE Online, a space MMO known for its complex economy. Players can trade and mine for valuable in-game assets and currencies. Star Atlas, a space exploration game that incorporates blockchain technology. Players can trade, mine, and fight in a vast digital universe. Multiplayer builder game where players can buy and own virtual islands, collect and trade items, and interact with other players in a charming open world. For casual and browser games, CryptoKitties, a blockchain-based game where players buy, breed, and sell virtual cats. Each CryptoKitty is unique and can be sold for cryptocurrency. Townstar, a city-building game where players can earn rewards based on their city's performance and growth. Zed Run, a digital horse racing game where players can buy, breed, and race virtual horses. Horses and races are managed on the blockchain, allowing for real money earnings. These games offer various ways to earn while enjoying engaging gameplay. If you're new to play-to-earn games, starting with these could give you a good overview of what the space has to offer. In this video, we highlighted 3 top play-to-earn apps where you can earn over $60 per game. EarnNut.com lets you complete tasks and play games for money. Mistplay.com offers various gaming apps and payment options, including PayPal. Free Cash pays you for playing games, with a filter for high rewards. Now, I have a question. Which of these play-to-earn apps are you most excited to try out? Comment below with your choice and any questions you have about getting started. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on earning online. See you in the next video.